Have you ever carried something that's really heavy?
Well, now your troubles are over. For the low price of 9 Egyptian pounds, we bring you the wheel. The wheel was invented by the Sumerians in 8000 BC. But the oldest wheel known, however, can be found in Mesopotamia, and it dates back to 3500 BC.
But wait, that's not it. If you buy this wheel, we will give you a cuneiform instruction booklet for just 2 extra Egyptian pounds. Cuneiform is the writing system that the Sumerians also invented. The word cuneiform comes from the Latin word cunis, which means wedge. Therefore, any script can be called cuneiform as long as its signs are composed on wedges. Wait, there's still more. If you call this number 1-800-588-PYRAMID, once again, 1-800-588-PYRAMID, we will give you a free Sumerian calendar. But call soon!
The Sumerians also invented the calendar. They used the calendar to help them calculate long periods while their crops were growing. To invent it, they used the moon cycle to help them. They divided the calendar up into 12 months, and every 3 years they had a leap year to help them connect to the sun. So with this, you can get a wheel, a cuneiform instruction booklet, and a Sumerian calendar, all for 11 Egyptian pounds.
One more time, 1-800-588-PYRAMID.